Assalamu alaikum. A very warm welcome. My name is Shafiq Ahmed Channa. I welcome you to my channel with a very big heart. Today I am going to conduct first mock test of PST and JST. Without further ado, let's get started. Now this is comprehension and I'm going to read it. Read the passage carefully and then answer the following questions from the given passage. Now, this is very short and easy passage. I'm going to read and then we'll discuss on it. My name is Ahmed. I live at MA Jinnah Road. My friend Rafiq lives at Rani Street. Our city is Karachi. It is the biggest city of Pakistan. My friend and I play cricket on Saturday. We go to Hill Park on Sunday. I'm going to read again one time more. So you read it and you understand it very carefully. My name is Ahmed. I live at Emajana Road. My friend Rafiq lives at Rani Street. Our city is Karachi. It is the biggest city of Pakistan. My friend and I play cricket on Saturday. We go to Hill Park on Sunday. Now, these are the questions from comprehension. I'm going to read it and note down these questions and answer these questions. Question number 1 is, which is the biggest city of Pakistan? A. Hyderabad. B. Karachi. C. Lahore. D. Islamabad. Question number 2, Mr. Rafiq lives at Desh. A. Hill Park. B. Rani Street. C. Emajina Road. D. None of these. Question number 3. Ahmed lives at Desh. A. Rani Street. B. Hill Park. C. Emajina Road. D. None of these. Question number 4. Both friends go to Hill Park on Desh. A. Saturday. B. Sunday. C. Monday. D. Tuesday. Question number 5. On Saturday, they play A. Cricket, B. Hockey, C. Football, and D. None of these. Question number 6. So the first 5 questions were from the passage. And these are now grammar portion. Question number 6 is, superlative degree of little is dash. A. Less. B. Lesser. C. More least. D. Least. Question number 7. Correct sequence of vowel letters is A. A-O-U-I-E. B. A-E-I-O-U. C. A-U-I-E-O. D. Both A and B. Question number 8. Derivative words is formed by the help of dash. Question number 8. Derivative word is formed by the help of dash. A. Suffix. B. Prefix. C. Affixes. D. All of these. Question number 9. Can you speak dash Spanish? A is A. B option is an. C is the. And D option is no articles, means zero article. Question number 10. Language is dash of communication. A. Factor of communication. B. Source. C. Tool. D. All of these. Question number 11. A word, a cauliflower, has dash syllables. A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 2. Question number 12. Such word which has 4 or more than 4 parts is called dash syllable word. I repeat, such word which has 4 or more than 4 parts is called dash syllable word. A. Bisyllable word. B. Trisyllable word. C. Monosyllable word. D. Polysyllable word. Number 13, I am aware dash my shortcoming. A, at, B, over, C, of, D, with. Question number 14, a group of letters which is added at the end of base word is called dash. A, prefix, B, suffix, C, affix, D, none of these. 15, a group of letters which is added at the beginning of base word is called dash. A, suffix, B, prefix, C, affixes, D, both B and C. Now these are last 5 questions and then we'll discuss answers. 16. An art in which we put the right word in the right place is called dash. A, subject, B, object, C, complement, D, grammar. 17. Plural noun of datum is dash. 17. Plural noun of datum is dash. A, data, B, datas, C, data, D, none of these. 18. 20 years dash the minimum age to fill this form. A, are, B option is, C option has, D option have. 19. Unfortunately, we had to cancel it owing dash the bad weather. A, of, B option is in, C option about, D option to. Last question, 20th. In a word, D value. In a word, D value, underlying letters are dash. A, suffix, B, prefix, C, both A and B, and D, affix. So these were the 20 questions from the given comprehension. And now try to answer these. So now it's time to discuss answers from comprehension. First question, which is the biggest city of Pakistan? Correct answer, which is from comprehension, is Karachi. And second is Mr. Rafiq lives at Rani Street. Option B is correct. 3 is Ahmed lives at Imagina Road. C is correct option. And fourth question is both friends go to Hill Park on Sunday. Question number 5, on Saturday they play cricket. So these were the basic and easy questions from the comprehension. So there is no need to go in detail. Just read comprehension passage carefully. Try to understand each and everything given in context. जो भी चीज कॉन्टेक्स्ट में दी गई आप उसको उस तरह से समझें ताकि किसी भी वर्ड की मीनिंग या कोई भी ऑप्शन आपको आसान लगे. So now let's move on. Question number 6, and which is basically grammar question. Question number 6, you can see that superlative degree of little is. Superlative degree of little is what? So there are 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative, and superlative. So little is positive degree and less is comparative, and the third degree, superlative degree, is least. Little, less, least. So option D is correct answer. 7th question, correct sequence of vowel letters is. There are 2 types of vowel letters, and one is consonant letter and other is vowel letters. Vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U in sequence, and the rest of them are consonant like B, C, D, etc. So answer B is correct. Derivative word is formed by the help of A, suffix, B, prefix, C, affix, and D is all of these. Now, what is the derivative word basically? Now, derivative word is, we can say that any group of letters which is affix, which we add at the beginning or at the end. Beginning will be prefix and end will be suffix. And these are basically, both are these collectively called affixes. So the correct answer is D. Can you speak Spanish? Can you speak a Spanish? Can you speak an Spanish? Can you speak the Spanish or no? Basically, this question is from articles. A and the and zero article means no article. So Spanish is basically a language. You can see English, Urdu, French, Chinese, Spanish. So for languages, we don't use article. So the D answer is correct, means zero article, no article. Question number 10, languages. It's factor, it's a source, it is also a tool. So D is correct option. Next, 11th question. A word, a cauliflower has these syllables. Now, syllables are the parts in which we divide the word. Like we say cauliflower, cauliflower. So there are 4 syllables. Question number 12. Such word which has 4 or more than 4 parts is called dash syllable word. If there is 1 means monosyllable. If there is 2 means bisyllable. If there is 3 means trisyllable. And if it is more than 3, it will be polysyllable word. So the D option is correct. Question number 13. I'm aware dash my shortcoming. Now here you can see the word aware. So we use of preposition. With aware we use of. So the correct answer is C, of. And this is from preposition. And in your test, synonym, antonym, and preposition, these are the most important topics. 14, a group of letters which is added at the end of a base word is called prefix, suffix, affix, none of these. Now you can see the question, a group of letters which is added at the end. Those words which we add at the end, and we say suffix. 15 question, a group of letters which is added at the beginning of base word is called dash. So B option will be correct, prefix, because we add in the beginning. So the group of letters that when we put at the beginning, it is called prefix, and if we add in the end, it will call suffix. Question number 16, an art in which we put the right word in the right place is called dash. A, subject, B, object, C, complement, D, grammar. Correct option is grammar. Basically, grammar is, we can say, to put the right words in the right order. So this is called grammar. And subject, object, and complement are a part of sentence. It comes in grammar. And this definition defines grammar. Plural noun of datum is dash. A, data, B, datas, C, data, D, none of these. Now there are singular and plural we have discussed. And so there are few are which are, we can say, irregular or from other language like Latin. So they are entirely different and bit technical to remember. You need to remember it. Now A is data, B is data, C is data, D is none of these. So the correct option is data. 18th question, 20-year dash the minimum age to fill this form. Now this question is from subject verb agreement. Which word we have to use with the subject? Now A is are, B is, C is has, and D option is have. So when we say numbers, or we can say any amount or anything, so we, or age like something, so we use singular verb. We use singular verb. It can be is, or it can be, we cannot say are, we cannot use has, and we cannot say have. We use helping word is. So 20-year is. Now, so for the amount we use singular verb, we cannot say 20-year are. It looks like, we can say that plural subject, but basically these all things come in the category of singular. Further, we will discuss in subject verb agreement. Question number 19. Unfortunately, we had to cancel it owing dash the bad weather. Now, owing to is basically, we can say because of. Owing to means because. So if you say owing to or because, meaning is same. So the word is owing to. So it will be, unfortunately, we had to cancel it owing to the bad weather. Owing to means because. Last is, in a word D value, underlined letters are called suffix, prefix, both A and B, and affix. Now you can see the D value. Value is a word, and in the beginning we have added something D value, and we have made another word. So in the beginning, it will be prefix. So correct option is B. This is the end of this first mock test, and I hope you really like this test. If you have any query, write in comment. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day ahead.